Hey friends, in today's tutorial, part 2, I continue explaining how to create a camera system in Unreal Engine 5, just like in the popular game Little Nightmares. We cover switching to a different camera when crossing a trigger, smooth rotation following the player, changing the camera, field of view at specific moments. I've put ready-made blueprint links in the description. You can open them and simply copy-paste the nodes into your own project's blueprint. Let's get started. Right-click, Create Blueprint, name it whatever you like. Open it, go to the event graph, and delete any unnecessary default nodes. Create a new custom event. I called mine Rotation on Player. This will handle the camera constantly rotating to face the player. In the Components panel on the left, add a camera component and drag it into the event graph. From the camera component, pull out Set World Rotation. This rotates the camera. Then Get Player Pawn, Get Actor Transform, right-click the pin, and split Struct Pin. From the camera, get World Location. Then use Find Look at Rotation to connect the camera location and player location. Next, pull Get World Rotation from the camera and connect both rotations into a LERP, rotator node, for smooth interpolation. I set the alpha to 0.01, you can tweak this. Right-click and split Struct Pin on the LERP output and on Set World Rotation. I only want smooth rotation on the Z-axis, so I connect X and Y directly. And for Z, I add a clamp, float node. Set min to 105 and max to 75. This limits the camera's horizontal tilt range, so it doesn't go too far. Now, back in Components, add a box collision. This will be our trigger volume. In the Details panel, Collision Presets, set to Custom, then ignore everything except Pawn Overlap. This way it only reacts to the player character. Scroll down and add events. On Component, Begin Overlap, and on Component End Overlap. Cast to your player character. I cast to mine, on both events. From the Begin Overlap, right-click, Get Player Controller. Pull Set View Target with Blend. Target. Self, our blueprint's camera. Do the same for End Overlap, but set Target to the player pawn to switch back to the character's camera. Enable Lockout Going to avoid camera jitter during the switch. Right-click the Blend Time pin. Promote to Variable. I set mine to 2 seconds. Feel free to adjust. I added comments to keep things organized. Then connect our Rotation on Player custom event to Event Tick, so it runs every frame right from the start. Next part, Field of View Zoom. I created 2 more custom events, Zoom In and Zoom Out. Add a branch for each. Create a variable, Can Zoom. Promote to Variable. Make it instance editable, default true. Add a timeline node, connect Zoom In to play and Zoom Out to reverse. Chotch, play from start. In Components, grab the camera, pull Set Field of View. Double-click the timeline, add a new float track, click the plus button. Set length to 2 seconds. Add keyframes, right-click. Adjust time and value, FOV. I set default FOV, QoS 110, zoom in to 90 for that classic close-up feel. Connect the timeline's update, set field of view. Now add another box collision component. Make it bigger so it's easier to see in the level. Set collision the same way. Custom, ignore all except pawn overlap. Add on component, begin overlap, and on component end overlap. Cast to player. Connect to zoom in and zoom out, custom events. That's it. The blueprint is ready. Drag it into your level. Position the camera and the two box collisions where you want the effects to trigger. Adjust sizes, positions as needed. Play the game and test. Everything should work smoothly. Thanks so much for watching. Drop your comments, ask questions. I'm happy to help. Also, please support my game Fun 2 Box. Join the contest and you could win a Steam Deck plus other prizes. All details in the description. I make games in Unreal Engine 5.6. Subscribe to the channel and support an indie dev. All links, blueprints, Patreon, Steam wishlist, etc. are right below the video. See you in the next one.